8 unique animals to spot in Mauritius. Pink Pigeon. The Mauritius pink pigeon is a medium-sized bird characterized by its soft pinkish-gray body and darker wings with a distinct reddish-brown. The bird's name comes from its soft pink color, especially noticeable around the chest and neck. Widespread across the island, this bird primarily lives in the forests of the island, particularly in protected areas like Black River, Georges and La Vallée de Fernie. The pink pigeon was on the brink of extinction, with fewer than 2 individuals wild in the 1990s through a combination of captive breeding, habitat restoration, and the removal of predators like rats. The population has slowly recovered. Ongoing efforts aim to protect these birds from threats and increase their numbers. Giant Tortoise. Two as the giant Aldabra tortoise. The tortoise native to the Aldabra in the Seychelles but has been introduced to the Mauritius. Giant tortoise is an enormous tortoise with adults weighing up to 2050 kg and living for more than 100 years. They are known for their large dome-shaped shells and slow-moving nature. While not originally native to Mauritius, the tortoises have been introduced and now live in places like La Vallée Nature Park and Domaine Ombre. They play an important role in the island ecosystems by grazing on vegetation and helping to disperse seeds. The giant Aldabra tortoise population is well protected in Mauritius, especially within conservation areas, while the species is not at risk on its native Aldabra. Their introduction to Mauritius has preserved biodiversity and provides an opportunity for ecological restoration. Mauritius Flying Fox. The Mauritius Flying Fox is a large fruit bat with a wingspan that can reach up to 1 into 5 meters. It has dark brown or black fur with a distinct golden patch on its shoulders and feeds primarily on fruits such as guava, figs, and mangoes. Habitat. It is native to Mauritius and can be found in forests across the island, although its range is mostly restricted to the remaining patches of tropical forest. They root in trees and are typically seen flying at dusk and dawn in search of food. While the Mauritius flying fox plays a ecological role in population and seed dispersal, it has threats from habitat loss and hunting conservation, include protecting their roosting sites and educating public about their importance. There have all been attempts to mitigate human-wildlife conflict as they sometimes sit on crops. Skink. Telfair skink is a flesh lizard endemic to Mauritius. It has a distinctive appearance with a smooth reddish-brown or grayish body and can grow up about 30 cm in length. This species is herbivorous and feeds mainly on plants, leaves, and fruits. Once found across much of the island, Telfair skink now survives only in a few protected areas, primarily in the dry forests of the island's southwest parts. It has also been introduced to serpents conservation purposes. The skink has been significantly impacted by habitat destruction and predation. Invasive species like rats, gooses, and other animals. Conservation measures have included habitat restoration, the removal of invasive predators, and captive breeding programs to boost population numbers. The species is now successfully protected in survival wildlife reserves. Mauritius Gecko. The Mauritius Gecko is a brightly colored lizard known for its vibrant green body with red markings, which make it quite striking. It typically has a yellowish-orange hue on its and may also have blue or black spots. These geckos are active during the day. These geckos are found in the forests of Mauritius, particularly in areas with dense vegetation, where they live in trees and on shores. They perfect tropical and subtropical forest areas with highly humidity. They are primarily insectivores, feeding on small insects, nectar, and fruits. They may also eat pollen. The Mauritius Gecko is facing significant threats due to habitat loss, invasive species, and by predation by animals like rats and gooses. Conservation program focusing on habitat restoration, protection of native species, and captive breeding initiatives. Gunther's Gecko is another species of gecko, smaller than the Mauritius gecko and characterized by its bright green color. It often has a more subdued appearance with fine markings on its body. The gecko is also diurnal and is known for its ability in climbing trees and plants. Native to Mauritius, this species is found in both dry tropical forests, although its numbers are rarely in the wild due to habitat destruction. It prefers areas with dense vegetation and sunlight, making it well adapted for climbing and basking. Like other geckos, Gunther's gecko feeds on insects, nectar, and fruits. They are important in controlling insect populations and are also involved in pollination. Gunther's gecko is vulnerable due to the introduction of invasive species and the loss of its natural habitat. Conservation efforts include protecting its environment from further degradation and managing the threats posed to invasive predators. Parakeet. The parakeet is a small vibrant parrot with a distinctive blue tinge on its wings and tail. Males are known bright red beaks, while females tend to have slightly smaller, less vivid beaks. These parakeets are known for their loud, echoing calls, which is how they got their name. Endemic to Mauritius, the echo parakeet is primarily found in the island's dry and humid forests, particularly within the Black River National Park and surrounding protected areas. The birds prefer the forest canopy, where they can hover. Echo parakeets are primarily herbivores, feeding on a wide variety of seeds, fruits, and flowers. They play an important role in pollination and seed dispersal. The echo parakeet was once thought to be extinct, with fewer than 20 individuals remain in the 1990s. Thanks to rigorous conservation efforts, including captive breeding, habitat restoration, and predator control, their population has increased to over 300 birds. They are now monitored closely, and conservation teams continue to work on protecting it and reducing the threats introduced predators like rats and mongooses. Laser-masked weaver. The laser-masked weaver is a small colorful bird known for its striking yellow and black plumage, particularly in male during the breeding season. Males' intricate nest often hanging them in to attract females, than for their loud and distinct calls. Native to Mauritius, the laser-masked weaver is common found in coastal areas, woodlands, and farms. It thrives in areas with tall grasses, reeds, and other vegetation suitable for nesting. These weavers primarily feed on seeds, insects, and occasionally on fruits. They are often seen foraging leaves and can adapt to a variety of habitats, from forest edges to human-modified environments. While the laser-masked weaver is currently listed as least concern, it faces some threats due to habitat loss and the impact of invasive species. Conservation efforts focus on maintaining suitable habitat, managing wetlands areas where birds thrive. Both of the animals are significant components of Mauritius' avian diversity, while the echo parakeet's conservation remains a priority due to its critically endangered status. The laser-masked weaver's population is still though habitat preservation is still essential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.